Looking for small home appliances? Here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like. Just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1. Black+decker High-Pressure Car Washer. Washes your car clean in your home, without taking it to a garage or service center, by Black+decker. Number 2. If health and hygiene are the basic requirements of your family, then it is important you buy the Black+decker vacuum cleaner and blower with 8 attachment. Now in a special Indian festival deal by Black+decker. Number 3. By Unknown. Amazon Great Indian Sale is now live. Click this banner and get the best deals for you. Number 4. This kitchen digital weighing scale is equipped with a high-precision strain gauge sensor system by Generic. Number 5. Prepare hot water, instant tea and more in a matter of minutes with Prestige electric kettle, with smart features like automatic cutoff, single-touch lid locking, with beautifully designed ergonomical handle and elegant body by Prestige. Number 6. Get these great online offers now. Click this banner for real-time deals and updates. Number 7. By Altum. Number 8. By Prestige. A great deal you shouldn't miss. Number 9. By Philips. Number 10. By Pigeon by Stovecraft.